One thing I want to show and give you some illustration of initially is how the payroll module ties into the posting setups of Business Central. This is an easy way to visualize how the payroll module is deeply embedded within the ERP system. So what you're seeing here is you've got employee posting groups, which we'll touch on here in a second. You've got the deduction and withholding codes themselves. Okay, so you've got the type, you've got the payroll code, and then you've got the account number. So all of the payroll codes have to be mapped to account numbers in your chart of accounts so that when you actually run payroll and you actually post payroll, you're posting accounting entries in detail in real time to your ledger in Business Central. So not only does that give you access to the detail, but it also it all happens instantly when you post, meaning that any reports you run in Business Central after you post payroll are going to be up to date based on that data. There's no with this new Business Central system, there's no having to post to a journal and then post that to the ledger or update the ledger on a nightly basis. There's none of that like you have with some of these older legacy systems. So within the payroll module, we're going to be tying every single payroll code to an account number in your chart of accounts, and there can be additional flexibility within that. In this example, I've got employee posting groups, meaning we've got admin posting groups and we've got field posting groups for this example. But what this means is that you might have the same payroll code, but it's affiliated with a different, an employee might have a different posting group associated with it when you're actually processing payroll. And so that can map the entries to a different account number just using the posting groups. Now you can go a step further and we can configure posting to be automated based on dimensions as well. So if there's different dimensional points that are coming in from either the time entries or that are hard set at the employee level, you can map it that way as well. But this is an example of visually how you can see how the system is integrally tied and embedded within the ERP system.